Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's talk about Dymension or the DYM token. It is up like over 100% in the last 7 days. Oh, sorry, in the last 24 hours, and in the last 7 days it is up like 78%, and in the last 40 days it is up like 94%. So that is like the massive surge that is like happening with DYM. And although the market is going down, so if you look at like BTC, as I said, I think in the last video that the BTC will probably go down, and it is going down as you can see after hitting 92k. So that was a false hope. And as of now, although the market is going down, but DYM is doing like really well. So let's break it down what is happening with DYM and whether like it is like a good buy or not. So first of all, let's just talk about why the token is going up. So the token is going up is due to only one reason. So that reason is like there is like ongoing what's happening on the Beyond upgrade, which is this one. So basically the renewed Beyond upgrade, which is a software upgrade, as you can see here. So they have different sections. So the first one is like hub usability, and the first one is fast blocks. TLDR is that 1 second block times. Whitelisted base assets, as you can see here. Use any whitelisted tokens to pay fees, create pools, and bootstrap liquidity. After that, what to pump. DYM stakers vote on which tokens the protocol buys, so really interesting. After that, there is also OTC buyback as well. Buy DYM at a discount without vesting through on-chain OTC. So that is like that could be good one, as this is a buyback, so like really good as well, I would say. After that, there is bridging, near instant roll-up withdrawal verified by the secure hardware. After that, there is self-relay, as you can see here. Anyone can relay the transaction. After that, there is optimistic like EIBC, fast withdrawals without needing the EIBC client. After that, they are also integrating Hyperlane as well. So Hyperlane becomes a Dymension's bridge for non-IBC chains. So that's really interesting. There is also extended interoperability. Run any action after bridging within a single transaction. So really interesting. Novel Casper bridge as well. Move KAS to Dymension. So that's like really good. As they are like going with Casper bridge. So that's really interesting. After that, there is like rollup app usability, as you can see. Apps can offer gas-free interactions with built-in spam protection. After that, there is roll-apps can now share applications revenue with their stakers, so that is like really interesting. One-click deposits as well. So these are all the different things that they are bringing in this like Beyond upgrade. And as of now, there is like ongoing what happening, and as of now there is like, if you look at the votes, over like 229 million DYM votes, so that's massive. And like as of now it will run till 22 November. So again, there is a possibility that DYM could continue to surge for like 2 more days, and after that we will most likely see a massive like dump for this token. Now, as the market is going down, the interesting thing about DYM is that ever since it launched back in February 2024, the token is in the continuous downtrend, and that's not a good look. And another interesting thing with this token is that it launched above 1 billion. As you can see, it had 1.2 billion market cap when it launched, and now it is at like it actually hit 30 million. And so that means if a token was at 1 billion and if it hit 30 million, of course that is a really good buy point for this token. And because of that, the token started to go up, as you can see, and there is a possibility that DYM can pull that 100 million off. So again, if you look at like in the last 1 year, so the token was trading above 100 million back in May. So you can see here, even back in December it was at 500. So there is a possibility that DYM could easily pull this 100 million market cap. So if that happens, we are most probably looking at a price surge as high as 15, I would say $30, or even slightly higher than that. Again, that is a possibility. That is all I'm saying. The reason why the token is going down is solely due to the tokenomics, of course. So they have had like these Baker's token unlocks they started back in June of 2025, and that is when we saw a massive crash as well. So probably this like massive crash happened because of these investors like just took the profit, nothing more than that. So that is a bit of a problem. Now in terms of its price, as I said already, if you look here, the token has had a really good sell pressure around 22 cent. So again, if it hold this surge, which is very unlikely, but again I think it may actually like go for that next move as well. So as of now, what we are looking at a retest as low as 12 cent or even as low as 10 cent. These are the 2 points that I'm looking at for a potential like rebound points as of now. Again, even let's say that even if it doesn't hit that 22 cent again, I think there is a possibility that it will see a next wave. So it can hit like 10 cent or even like 12 cent, and after that it can go for that like 17 cent or even 20 cent is a possibility. And if it breaks 22 cent, if it breaks that level, I think it can like push as high as like 35 cent or even 25 cent is a possibility, because as I said, the token was at 500 million market cap back in December. Even back in May it was at like over 100 million, and even back in September it was at 87 million. So I think there is a possibility that it can like go for that, like I would say 25 to 30 million, or sorry 25 to 37, 25 to 30 cent level as of now, if it like breaks 22 cent level. But overall, I think in the future the token will most likely go down once like this vote ends. That is what I think, and after that it will most likely hit a new all-time low if the market goes even more down. So let's say if the BTC hits like 80k, and after the vote ends and after the hype around DYM ends, I think it will see a massive crash that is going to happen. So if you basically bought it, let's say if you bought it somewhere around 50 cent, and if you were dollar cost averaging it, I think it is probably best idea to just take the profit and move on with this token and get into like let's say BTC or even something that is more secure. Ethereum, BTC or even Solana would be a good option. But as of now, I think altcoins will most likely see massive crash across the board, and DYM will most likely face the same situation once like the pumps settles down. Anyways, I think I covered pretty much everything about this token, and as I said, it does have monthly unlocks going on. So most probably the token will most likely have a massive sell pressure when we see these next unlocks. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will be back with more. Thank you. And as for like this news, I think this ends on like this ends in like 42 hours or something like that, and after that I think we'll most likely see a crash. And if like this upgrade goes through, there is a possibility that DYM could go up as high as like I would say 50 cent or even higher than that if the hype is that much. But as of now, I think it will most likely go as high as 25 cent if it breaks 22 cent, and after that it will most likely go down. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will be back with more. Thank you.